Alabama. Bushwhacker-51 trying break.
Bushwhacker 51. You're rolling way up north. Most definitely are a Bushwhacker 51, 122, state of Maine waving.
Sound like a local in Alabama. B. Huntsville, Alabama. Bushwhacker-51 back.
Oh, right back at you, Bushwhacker. You're definitely sounding good up here in the corner. Most definitely are. Heard you out there. I wanted to bump it down, get a old morning wave your way. Hey, 51 down there in the BAM. Sounding good. 122 Maine waving.
Roger on that. 122. Howdy. Well, you have yourself fine up out of the way. Take care, man. We appreciate the comeback. 51, Bushwhacker 51, down this way. Say good morning.
Right back at you. Real good coffee. Bushwhacker 51. You take care. 122 Maine back out. Click, click.
Yeah, I don't mess that stuff, man, too much. I don't know you anyway. About a 122. Yeah, Tennessee with the morning wave.
I heard, I think it was 357 in 10 now waving. A little bit rough at the moment there. Hey, waving over there to 10. 122, state of Maine.
357 Mobile with the Wednesday morning wave.
There you go, 357 in that Mobile, absolutely rolling into the corner, sounding good in that Mobile. Hey, 357, 122 Maine, kicking it back.
Roger, 122, you're the only one. 122, where you at? 122, appreciate you letting know this Mobile's got a little bit of conditions up that way. So a little bit on a... Went to 122, ain't got no ears. 357 Mobile.
You're right back at you, 357, right back at you. Take care, good here in that old Mobile, rolling into the corner. Sounding real good up here, absolutely. 357, take care. 122, state of Maine, out of the road.
0343. You're getting louder and prouder as we speak, all by yourself, with no background singer.
Warning up there, 122, Yardbird waving a hand.
Good morning, Yardbird, waving right back at you, sir. Sounding good up here in the corner.
Hey, man, I do enjoy your gates. Keep on doing what you're doing. 122, I did particularly enjoy that derail gate I heard yesterday. I got a kick out of it in the Mobile the second day. He really got it rocking. Hey, 122, keep doing what you're doing. We do enjoy them down here.
Yeah, we appreciate that, Yardbird. Yeah, I'm having fun with them. I'm changing the intros around and all that just to make it a little more interesting. Absolutely am. But boy, that old derail, you better watch out. That old Mobile of his is definitely rocking and rolling. Absolutely is.
Yeah, that got thicker smoking up there. I did enjoy the gate. I 122. Have a good day up there. I just had to get in and say hello. Keep up the good work, man. I do appreciate it down here. 122. Yardbird pulling back. I'll see you.
Right back at you, Yardbird. Always good hearing you. 122. Just sliding to the side. Click, click.
Yeah, click, click. I'll see you.
Yeah, guys, 357 quit being so mean to my mobile. Stay 122, 357 keep my 5 alive.
357, you want me to tell Yardbird to stop being so mean to that mobile of yours? 357, you want me to tell Yardbird stop being so mean? Hey, I'm sure it's totally unintentional, but hey, we're rolling that 5. Hey, 357, gonna roll that 5 to Yardbird, 122 waving.
Hey, I appreciate you rolling it like he told me. 122. Tell him my finger slipped. I'll see you.
And you want me to tell 357 that your old finger just slipped? Absolutely. We told it the way we heard it. 122 back out of the road.
Alright, 122. Have a good day, Les. I do enjoy it. Yeah, we're all in North Carolina. 86 on this dirty bird reading them out.
22, I appreciate you keeping my 5 alive. It's all fun.
Absolutely kept that 5 alive for you. Hey, we do have the gate rolling. Absolutely do 357. So you better check out how your mobile is making it up here into the corner. Hey, 357, that mobile is working well for you. Conditions are still rolling into the corner. Hey, but you're definitely rolling in with them. 122, letting you know.
Hey, 122, I appreciate it, no doubt about it. I hope I don't get conditions on the ice. I'm 107 base station. Hey, 122, have a super fine morning while you're rolling the gate. 357.
Right back at you, 357. Have yourself a good morning also. 122, hey, we're going to get out of the road, slide to the side, click, click.
Roger, that's you, me too. Nobody else even scratched the house. Hey, 122, I'll tell you again, 357 in the 10.